Hello guys, how's everybody doing? Jacquet here, aka Jacquet, and welcome to the jwjacquet channel. I appreciate all you guys watching and giving me those thumbs ups and those likes and helping me share this out. I wanted to make this video today and talk about a little bit of what I do to help folks, and because there's a lot of folks that really doesn't know what I do and they see my videos and they probably saying, what's going on and what's the ins and outs. So I'm taking the time out to explain to folks exactly what is it that I do. So what I do is I am an insurance agent and a realtor. That's exactly what I do. I'm an insurance agent and a realtor. So what is it? What kind of insurance that I deal with? What do I help folks with? And how do I help folks when it comes to real estate? Okay. So guys, I am an insurance agent, meaning that I help folks when it comes to Medicare, when it comes to Medicare benefits. I help them to pick the right plans when it comes to that, and also helps them to understand the ins and outs when it comes to Medicare without any sort of complication. The other thing that I do when it comes to insurance, I help folks when it comes to life insurance, as far as getting them the proper coverage, whether they're looking for a whole life insurance to build their retirement and to help build towards their retirement, or whether they're looking for a simple final expense, if they're looking for just IUL to build accumulated cash, whether it's for college funding or whatever that it may be. Those are the type of things that I help folks with. I help folks when it comes to disability insurance. So that means that if you are working and you are looking for something to secure your income, because don't forget, at the end of the day, if you are working, the most valuable assets that you have is your ability to produce that income. So I help folks when it comes to disability insurance as well, along with life insurance. Like I said, there's many different types of life insurance, whether it's term. Term is if you're looking to just secure your mortgage, or if you're looking to secure if something were to ever happens to you for, to help your family, whether it's to pay the mortgage, college funding for the kids, to leave the kids without a struggle. There's a lot of different ways to formulate life insurance, but for right now, I'm just telling you guys what I do. So I don't want to make this video too long to where you guys lose me in the video, all right? And along the line of what else I help folks with when it comes to insurance, like I said, we're talking about the insurance part of what I do now, is I also help folks when it comes with annuity. And annuities is something that, you put your money in that you invest in for a later time, or it could be for an immediate time. It could be a period of 1 year. It could be a period of a month, but that's what I help folks with. I also help folks when it comes with annuities and things like that to help them build towards their retirements and their savings and things in that nature. Now, when it comes to real estate, what do I help folks with when it comes to real estate? So guys, when it comes to real estate, I help folks with a lot of different things. I help folks to buy their homes. I help folks to look for their dream home, something that they've been looking for. I help folks to sell their homes and looking for, a different home, whether it's for more spacious or whether they have too much space and they want to reduce on the space they have to lesser space. So I help folks when it comes along all those lines. Some part of what I deal with as well is help folks when it comes to apartments. So it's not the biggest part of what I do, but I do help folks when it comes to apartments. I am connected with different lenders to help folks to get a mortgage so that they could get that home that they've been looking for, so they could, get themselves set up. Apart from all that, what else I do with real estate? I help folks when it comes to invest into real estate. So there's some folks that'll say, they're just looking to invest, looking for income properties, or anything like that, and looking to build their portfolio. So with my knowledge and expertise, I helps them to find the right income property, income producing property, whether they're looking to use that as a way to retire, or they're looking just to produce income, or they're just looking for a great deal. That's the last part I do when it comes to real estate. some of my clients, they might just be looking for a flip house, a fixer upper, whatever that it may be. So I help folks when it comes to those. I help them to find the right deal, the best deal, and then if in turns I help them to sell it as well. So there's a lot of different things that I do. If there's any questions with regards to what I do and how could I handle all these moving pieces together, please let me know. All right, comment down below and I'll definitely respond back to you with an answer to help you understand how I help folks, on my day-to-day basis within my practices. I'll speak to you guys soon, and thank you for watching this on the JW Jacquet channel. Once again, I am Jacquet, aka Jean Jacquet. I look forward to seeing your comments. I'll speak with you soon.